Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Extended motivational English lesson. Become 1% better every day. Perfect for listening, speaking, shadowing, and self improvement. Welcome to today's motivational English lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to grow as a person and improve your English at the same time. Today we will talk about the power of becoming just 1% better every day. This lesson will help you develop your mindset, your discipline, and your English fluency. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, let your mind focus. Let's begin. Many people believe that success happens suddenly, one big moment, one big opportunity, one big win. But this is not true. Success is not one giant step. It is a collection of many simple steps. When you improve yourself just 1% each day, your progress grows like a snowball. Explanation: if you learn one new English word today, and one tomorrow, and one the next day, after a year, you will know 365 new words. If you read one page a day, after a year you will finish one or two books. Small actions create big results, but only if you stay consistent. Consistent doing something regularly. I am consistent with my English practice. Gradual, slow, but steady. Gradual improvement is powerful. Discipline doing what you need to do even when you don't feel like it. Discipline builds success, compounding growth that increases over time. Simple habits create compounding results. Shading practice. Repeat slowly after me. Small improvements create big changes. I grow a little every day. Consistency is my superpower. You don't need to change your entire life today. You only need to change one small thing. Start with something simple, something so small you cannot fail. 1 minute of learning, one sentence of English, one small action that moves you forward. Examples of small daily improvements: drink a glass of water in the morning, read one English sentence, do 5 push ups, write one line in a journal. Learn new vocabulary word, clean one tiny area of your room. These actions seem small, but they build your identity. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I can start small. Small steps lead to big results. Every day I take one step forward. Most people quit because they expect big results fast. When they don't see immediate change, they stop. You will not be like that. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is consistency. Unsuccessful people stop when it gets hard. Successful people keep going. Explanation: big results come from small habits repeated daily with patience and discipline. You don't need motivation every day, you need habits. Read the story aloud slowly, then again faster. 1 year ago, I could not speak English confidently. I felt nervous and I made many mistakes, but I decided to improve just 1% every day. I learned one word. I practiced one sentence. I listened for 5 minutes. Slowly, my English started to grow. My confidence grew too. Today, I am proud of myself because I understand more. I speak more and I believe in my progress. I know that small steps have changed my life. Self improvement techniques. Technique 1: habit stacking. Add a new habit to an existing one. After brushing your teeth, practice one English sentence. While preparing breakfast, listen to 1 minute of English. Technique 2: make it easy, lower the difficulty. Read half a page instead of a whole page. Learn one word instead of 10. Technique 3: celebrate small wins, reward yourself for small progress. Say good job to yourself. Speaking practice, repeat. I celebrate progress. I make learning simple. I'm proud of my simple wins. Say these affirmations every day. Mindset. I am growing a little every day. I am capable of great things. I trust my journey. English fluency. My English is improving. I speak with confidence. Every word I learn makes me stronger. If you want to improve your life, start today, not tomorrow, not next week, not someday. Growth begins with a single step. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You only need to be committed. Learning English is the same. Speak a little today, practice a little tomorrow, listen a little every day. These small actions will build your future. Believe in small progress. Believe in discipline, believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think, and your future self will thank you for every small step you take today.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.